When you've invested in beautiful wood around your home, a little maintenance now can pay off in the long run. Wood brings natural warmth and character into our homes, and a maintenance routine keeps it looking great all year round. Cabot's wood floor polish brings dull floors back to life. It restores shine and reduces the appearance of scratches and marks. It's fast and easy to use. Just apply this solution with a mop on your sealed wooden floors. Cabot's wood floor polish is the ideal step between cleans and protective recoats, giving you results you can see. Got laminate floors? Our laminate floor polish has the same great benefits as wood floor polish, but has been developed specifically for sealed laminate floors. Cabot's Easy Deck maintenance system is a mess-free, easy and fast way of giving it a fresh and clean look without needing to prep or spend extensive time and effort. Best of all, it dries quickly, so you can be back on your deck in 40 minutes. So there you have it. Cabot has you covered with a range of maintenance products that keeps your wood looking great all year round.